Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to share screen on Zoom. It's pretty easy, let me show you the steps. So to share your screen on Zoom for your Windows or Mac OS, to share content, tap share in the meeting controls and tap the type of content that you want to share. Tap one of the following options. It can be photos, documents, Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, or Microsoft OneDrive for Business. And website URL, bookmark, notes, screen, camera. And you can also share whiteboard. So if you want to share your screen, tap on share and the share screen button uh, in the meeting controls, and then tap screen. The Android system will display a notification from you informing you of what the screen share will have access to. Tap start now to confirm the screen share will start and Zoom will continue to run in the background. You can now choose the app that you would like to share. At the bottom of your screen, tap annotate to open the annotation tools, or tap stop share to stop sharing and go back to meeting controls. So if you want also to share your device audio, just follow the instructions to begin sharing on your screen. Tap share audio option and found means between the options to annotate and stop share. Tap again to disable or stop share to end the share completely. So yeah, these are the ways you can share your screen on Zoom. Hope this video helps you out and we will see you in the next video.